Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedirilla. Let's get into your reading for the month of August 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs with the sign of Capricorn. Okay, so let's flipping the cards and see what we have. We got Prince of Cups, Power and Ace of Wands. So anyways, I'm not gonna again go in a spiral pattern, because if I start with this finish of everything and again it's gonna be just a spiral, so there's no point of it. So of course it is good, it's just another method I feel, so I'm just gonna go like that. So Strength, the Chariot, Knight of Wands. We got Princess of Swords, Prudence, Abundance. So again, it's just a spiral and maintaining the spiral, so there's nothing to worry about. We got Art, Dominion, the Sun, Oppression, Hangman, and then Princess of Swords, Prince of Swords. So we can start with the reading. Hello guys, welcome back. So we got Power, Prince of Cups and Ace of Wands. So again, discs, cups and wands energy, lot of energies over here. You might be connecting with Sagittarius as well, and also a lot of elements. You're also there's a lot of elements involved in the situation, a lot of things going on. I feel like again the situation is asking you to be more creative, and you can see with the Ace of Wands over here. I'll come back to the psychological basis, what is running in the background. We have creativity card, Major Arcana, Art, but Ace of Wands is also creativity over here. So I feel like the situation involves you to be more creative, okay, and use your creativity, unapologetically use your creativity and move towards that, and protect yourself with the Four of Discs over here. You just move with your emotions, protect yourself, be creative like that. And I feel like whatever you do, just be creative, okay. Whatever you do, just make sure that it is going in alignment of creativity, and it is bringing something new, some new spark, okay, in whatever you do. That's the situation. Situation is very favorable. I feel like a lot of work that is involved regarding you is being done at your home and in a very comfortable place, so there's nothing to worry about. I feel like a lot of connections with other people also is not happening. If you are not open to connecting with other people also, you don't have to. I feel like everything is, you're being protected a lot from God. In the current path, we have Strength, the Chariot, Major Arcana, Knight of Wands, code card. So I feel like people will come to you. You can see the Knight of Wands energy hopping on towards the Chariot card. So people will have this sensation to come to you, to travel to you, and to communicate, to share whatever they have in mind, etc. And you know about this, you are expecting this, you know about this, you are kind of predicting. I feel like your mind is very sharp with the Strength card over here. I feel like the meaning of this coming in the first is like your mind is very sharp, you know what you're attracting, and you can see the light coming out, okay. You're able to predict things is what I feel. That is the current path. You're predicting what's going to happen, and you're expecting that people will come to you. and it's just like expecting. It's something like you're predicting that people will come to you, but you don't necessarily want them. Okay, but you're just predicting that people can come to you to communicate and etc., where you also could use some kind of Mars energy, like physically working with them. That kind of thing also you are kind of predicting. Okay, that's the current path. In the alternate path we have Prince of Swords, Court card, Prudence, 8 of Discs, and Abundance, 3 of Cups. It is very, very interesting with the Prudence card over here, where universe is suggesting express yourself how you would like to be, because this is a tree, and if the tree is beautiful, people come and pour water if they like, and they can give the take the rewards, okay, accordingly. And if the tree is beautiful, and if people are open to looking at the tree how it is, there's no necessity of cutting the tree. Now people are very selfish right now. They cut trees because they don't really connect with that energy of the tree, what it is saying, what are the roots of the tree, and how it has grown, the journey of the tree, etc. So especially with the Prince of Swords over here, you can see the sword. There will be people who doesn't truly see who we are, our value system, but it is there. They are spoiled like that. They come from a background which is very dark, smoky over here. They feel like they are seeing the truth. They feel like they have been through a lot and they are seeing the truth now. It's just that they were in the dark energy. Now they have come out from the dark a little bit. Still there is smoke, as you can see, but they feel like since they have been through the dark energy and they just came out a little bit from that, they feel like they are seeing the truth, they know everything. But reality is that they're still in the dark place. There'll be darkest spots, there'll be darker and dark spots, okay, but they're still in the dark. Okay, I feel like there will be people who are like don't really see the truth of the situation, but they feel like they know everything. Okay, so just shine who you are and just flow freely who you are, and just be abundant with who you are, because your vibration is the right thing that has to be looked out for, not how other people are perceiving it. So just believe who you are, you have that understanding, and just radiate who you are. Just be who you are. Just make yourself flow freely. Okay, that's the universe suggesting over here. In the psychological basis, we have Art, Major Arcana, Dominion, 2 of Wands, and the Sun, Major Arcana. So again, 2 major arcanas side by side. In the center we got Dominion. So in the background it's all about deciding between these two things, and the two things are also very positive. One thing is to be creative and shine brightly. The other thing is to be just shining brightly. So decide, it's up to you right now. Situation is beautiful. Whatever is running in the background is very good. It's all about where you're going at the same time, to figure out where you want to go, also to go in a direction that you want to be creative and shine, or to just shine. Okay, figure out that. I feel like with the Sun card having a lot of zodiac signs over here, it's all about shining brightly in different areas. Choose what area you want to shine. To shine brightly, or to have that creativity and shine brightly. But there will be creativity because you're shining brightly. There is some creativity, but are you really open to mixing up even the aspects of your fears and everything, and then shining brightly? A lot of your deep understanding that you have, are you ready to put yourself into that and then shine brightly? So I feel like what is running in the background, it's all about giving these opportunities of shining brightly, but it is also giving opportunities to choose a way in order to shine brightly. That is what is happening in the background. In the karma we got Oppression, the Hangman, and Prince of Swords. So exactly in the center of the reading, center of this karma, we got Hangman. Okay, so again you can see with the psychological basis and karma playing out, we got in the center of psychological basis dominion, center of karma, we got Hangman. So you can see, to make this same energy, like it's all about waiting and looking forward what you want. So this Hangman is all about this. Your karma is to just have this stability, to just wait, take your own time to have that realization, to, you know, figure out how you can do this, because I feel like whatever you're doing, it's a big thing. So you have to take your time and then figure out how you can effectively move forward with this, you know, big energy, big task. And then, you know, then it's all about just moving after the Hangman. Okay, because you got that intelligence on how you have to move forward and what you have to do in order to move forward. And then it's all about the movement. So I feel like karma is all about, you know, figuring out where you want to put your action towards, how you want to express yourself, whether creatively or non-creatively. But I feel like you have to shine. Okay, that is the main thing. You have to shine like the sun. It all depends on how you do. Even though you're not creative, when you shine, there'll be a little bit of creativity as I said, but this is natural creativity. But you know, it is also asking, if you want to shine brightly, do you want the sun to be closer and shine brightly, or to be little quite distant and then shine brightly? It's all about, you know, the situation playing out differently for different people. I feel like there are different ways of shining, as I just mentioned. Depends on you what you choose. Also check out your sun, moon, rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for narrowing down your perspective, and also sun sign, because the sun card came. Check out your sun sign as well. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. Good energy, definitely good energy, and definitely something new is gonna start. You're gonna experience something different this month, that is for sure. Expect that. And yeah, a lot of psychic abilities also. I'm seeing you're going after something that is involving a lot of psychic abilities, unlocking your psychic abilities. It is good time to connect with the sun as well. Sun is shining little brightly right now as I'm telling this, so connecting with sun also is good, significant. Yellow color will be good. Okay, and something to do with light also is good. Watch out for these things. These can guide you through in your situation. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. If you'd like to get a personal reading, you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings, along with my price ranges and contact details are mentioned respectively. You can follow me in my social media links to get updated as well, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and thank you.